Hello, my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing in your life, wherever you are. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel and for giving lots of love to the channel. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages, whatever it is important for you. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. I really appreciate that. I'm here to help you out in some manner. I hope this reading will resonate with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition. I don't read reversals, Aquarius, and gender is not specific here. So take a gender according to your situation. So this is the general love reading for my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. You can check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver every single message which I need to deliver to my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Let's see. Let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. December 2020, and the first card fall out here is Sun. And I had already pre-shuffled these cards, and the bottom of the deck I was having the Sun here too. Beautiful reading, Aquarius. Powerful message for you. Powerful card for today's reading is Sun. Sun is all about beautiful new beginnings. Okay, new beginnings in life, new beginnings in love, new beginnings in career. Okay, so new beginnings, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So let's see what are the messages. Knight of Swords. Okay, who is rushing towards you, Aquarius? Let's see. Okay, let's see. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Ace of Cups. I love doing your reading, Aquarius. It's always so energetic and powerful, and I love doing your reading because it's always very positive. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the World card. Okay, let's see. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver. What are the important messages which I need to deliver? Okay, then the card fallout is Death. Okay, what are the messages? Star, you coming in your reading. Okay, Aquarius, something is ending so that new beginnings can happen, and you're getting new hopes and new desires. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Cups. Let's see what are the messages. What are the important messages which I need to deliver? It just fell out. Okay. Moon, Devil, Five of Pentacles, and Wheel of Fortune. Wow, Lovers. What are the messages? What are the messages which I need to deliver? Help me out. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Pentacles. Lovers, Two of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Okay. What are the messages? What are the important messages? Six of Swords. You're coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Don't be sad, remorseful, guilt. Okay, don't be in this energy because you are coming towards the calmer waters. Okay, you are definitely coming towards the calmer waters. Yeah, see, Six of Wands, Six of Swords, and Six of Wands. You're getting success, recognition, victory. You're coming towards the calmer waters. You are moving forward as Chariot. Okay, yeah, you're taking the leap of faith and you're starting something new. The Fool card is there. Queen of Pentacles, Hierophant. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Cups. This is someone from the past. Queen of Pentacles is your person. Wow. Ten of Cups. Happily ever after, Aquarius. You're getting married or you are married to this person or you're getting commitment. Yeah, that's the Judgment. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Pentacles. Wow, superb reading for you. Ace of Swords. You're getting your clarity. You're getting... Wow. Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, they're asking me to stop. I'm going to stop here and going to clarify these cards in the extended reading so that I can get to know what are the meaning of these cards. But from this reading, Aquarius, I can tell you that you are starting something new. New beginnings are happening for you. Okay, the Sun card is there. Your reading is starting with the Sun card. It's the most happiest card in the tarot. Some new beginnings are happening for you. Okay, new beginning in life, new beginning in love. New beginning is happening and someone is rushing towards you. Okay, to give you Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is all about emotional fulfillment. They are coming towards you to give you their cup full of emotions. Can you see this cup is overflowing with emotions? So they are rushing towards you and that's the new beginning. Okay, they're coming towards you to offer their cup which is full of emotions. Okay, something is ending. The Death card is there in your life. Okay, and what is ending, I'm going to tell you that. Death card is there. Something is ending so that some new beginnings can happen in your life. And the Star is here. This is you. Star cards belongs to Aquarius. Okay, Star is all about new hopes and new desires, new hopes in love, new hopes in life, new hopes in career. Okay, new hopes and desires is all about Star. So something is ending. And what is ending, Aquarius, in your life? Moon, Devil, and Five of Pentacles. This is ending. This situation is ending, Aquarius, in your life. Okay, this situation is getting end. The secrets which was hidden from you, the Moon card is there. Okay, then there is Devil. Devil is all about toxicity, obsession, okay, narcissist behavior. But you are leaving this person's situation or a condition behind. Five of Pentacles, you are leaving them behind. Okay, because you are leaving this toxicity behind, the new hopes and new desires. The sun card is there for you, okay, because you are leaving this situation or a person behind. You are saying that I don't want anyone who will be toxic for you, and that's very nice. I'm proud of you, Aquarius, because this is not what you deserve, okay. This is not what you deserve, okay. Someone was there around you in your life who was manipulative, okay, who was toxic, who was keeping secrets from you, okay, but you are leaving that person or a situation behind, and that's very nice, because you're leaving this person or a situation behind. The wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, okay. Wheel of fortune is a good luck for you, and it's moving in a positive way, okay. The wheel of fortune, and there is a lovers here. So in your love life, the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. You're getting better than before, okay. Can you see the difference between a karmic and a twin flames uh, example? I can say these examples because the devil is attached. If you are in a karmic relationship, this will be your devil one, and if you are connected with your twin flame, the lovers card is here, because you are saying no more toxicity, no more obsession, no more narcissist controlling obsession. Anything in excess can be devil, okay. So you are saying no to karmic ones. So here it is your twin flame, the soulmate. Can you see the guardian, the divine, the god is blessing, is taking care of this relationship, and here they are attached to each other through this devil, okay. Devil is taking care of it. That's why the devil is attached with the moon. So you are saying no more devil, no more toxicity in my life. I am throwing this energy out of my life. I'm leaving this person behind. I'm moving in a forward direction. I'm leaving this person behind. Five of Pentacles. That's why the wheel of fortune is moving towards you, Aquarius, and the divine, the universe is giving you the love of your life, the lovers of your life, because when you say no more toxicity, I don't accept this toxicity in my life, the divine is going to bless you. And if you want to continue with this relationship, then you can keep repeating that cycles again and again and again, okay. So it's all about learning a lesson, and I know, Aquarius, you have learned your lessons, that you deserve best. You deserve best in every area of your life. That's why you are leaving this person or a situation behind, and because you're leaving this toxicity behind, the devil behind, you are getting the blessings of love, okay, the lovers. But some of you are still juggling a lot, Aquarius, between the two situations, okay. I can tell you like this. Maybe some of you, Aquarius, are still juggling a lot between devil and the lovers, the karmic one and the life partner one, okay. You are trying to balance the situation, okay. You want balance in your life, but it's very good because you are saying no more karmics, no more toxicity in my life. But still, if you are juggling between two persons, then I'm going to give you advice that don't juggle between two conditions, or don't juggle between two energies. But I don't see that you are going to continue in this energy. You're getting out of this energy, okay. Why I'm saying this? Because the next card here, it is the Chariot. Maybe you were juggling between two situations. You are trying so hard to balance a situation, but you are moving in a forward direction with the Chariot, okay. You are moving in a forward direction with the Chariot. You know what is right and what is wrong for you. 1414 was the recording reading time. You know the difference between black and white, okay. Now you have your clarity. That is all about Ace of Swords, okay. So because you have that clarity, that you so because you are having clarity in your life, you are coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. The Six of Swords and Six of Wands are there. You are coming towards calmer waters, and you're getting success, recognition, okay, some kind of victory, okay, some kind of victory. And what is your victory? That you coming towards calmer waters. Can you see Six of Wands and Six of Swords? Both are there. Beautiful energies for you, my beautiful Aquarius. I love today's energies because you learned your lesson. You finally are moving in a forward direction and you achieving your peace basically, okay, your mind peace, you're getting success, you're moving in a forward direction, you are coming towards the calmer waters, you're getting success, recognition, and you're taking a leap of faith. The Fool card is there, okay. Okay, so you're taking the leap of faith. The Fool card is here, and there is a Queen of Pentacles. This is your divine counterpart. This is your person. This is not you, okay. This is the person which you are dealing with, okay. There is someone who is maybe financially stable, grounded. They know how to manage his finances basically, okay. They know how to manage finances, okay. Queen of Pentacles, and gender is not specific here, Aquarius, but this is your partner, okay. This is the love, this is the partner of your life. You're taking the leap of faith in them and you're moving forward with them, okay. What are you taking a leap of faith? That maybe you are getting you are giving them commitment, or they are offering you commitment, because here it is, there is an Ace of Cups here, so they are giving you emotional fulfillment. That's why you are getting committed to this person, okay. Or you are already committed to this person, or you are married to this person. Either you are married to this person or you are going to marry with this person, okay. But this is beautiful because Hierophant is attached to Ten of Cups. Can you see? Beautiful, happily ever after, happy family, happy life, happily ever after, and Hierophant is attached. So either you are getting married to this person or you getting your commitment finally, okay. You are getting your commitment with this. You have decided that I want to achieve, now I'm going to get married with this person. You get to know that, and there is a Judgment and Ace of Swords. Either the divine is making a judgment for you, or you are making a judgment for your life, that I know. And there is Ace of Swords. You know the clarity, you have that clarity that what is good for you, what is right for you, and you're making the clarity, you're making the judgment of your life, that I want this and I know this, that this is right for me, and I'm going to move forward with this person. Because after moving this person, after moving with this person, you are coming towards a calmer waters, Aquarius, okay. So let's add some oracles, and I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended reading so that I can get more information, a deeper knowledge, deeper clarification about these cards, okay. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver. What are the important messages? Okay, what are the messages? The World and the Star again has come. Aquarius, you completing karmic cycle. The World card is there. The beginning of a new cycle, completion of a cycle, and new beginnings of a new cycle, okay. You're closing out a cycle, and the Star is there, okay. Again, new hopes, new desires are there. Again, the Chariot has come for you. See, the Chariot and the Chariot, okay. Two times I'm having Chariot. You are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius, for sure. You are not in a stuck energy, you are not in a hangman energy, you are not feeling like confused. You know already what you want to do in your life. Now you are moving in a forward direction, okay. You know now what you have to do, okay. Again, the Wheel of Fortune has come, bottom of the deck. Again, I'm having Death, okay. Death card and the Death card. So that situation is getting end, that you're getting, maybe some of you Aquarius were confused a lot, you were unable to make a decision, okay, but now you getting your clarity, okay, you are getting your clarity and you are moving in a forward direction. The wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Wheel of fortune and wheel of fortune, two times I'm having wheel of fortune. So wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Any other message? Any other message? Bottom of the deck again I'm having Fool. Okay, so taking the leap of faith in divine, in the person which you are dealing with, and you're moving in a forward direction. That's very good, Aquarius. That's very good, because you're taking the leap of faith in them. You're having trust that this is someone which divine has sent for me. I trust myself, I trust the divine, I trust in universe, and I'm going to move in a forward direction. These two cards were flip out. You are you high priestess and hermit. After doing some kind of inner work, soul searching, okay, you are looking answers from within yourself. And there is high priestess. You are using your intuitions. You're coming towards a conclusion that this is right for me. Okay, now I want to move forward in my life. Wow, bottom of the deck I'm having justice. Justice is being served in your case. The lovers is here. Okay, again the lovers is here. You are getting the blessings of your twin flame. 2121 was the recording reading time. Okay, life partner, soulmate, not the karmic soulmate. There is a difference between karmic soulmate and life partner, soulmate, or you can call it twin flame soulmate. Okay, so this is your lovers, the love of your life. Okay, you're getting success in achieving that, and that's the justice. Then there was sun. That's the new beginning for you, Aquarius, and the justice is being served in your case. Okay, thank you so much for giving the messages for you. I love doing your reading. That's why I told you that I love doing your reading, Aquarius. Can you see how beautiful the card is? The lovers and the lovers. You are choosing the love of your life, the love, the life partner of your life, the lifetime. Okay. This is one who is created for you by the divine. 2222 was the recording reading time. Okay, so this is the divine counterpart, you can say, which is made for you by the divine. Let's add some activation oracle and close it out. Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages? Wow. Why I'm saying wow? That's why. Bottom of the deck I'm having divine masculine and I'm having divine feminine was out. Aquarius, you are getting the blessings of your divine masculine and divine feminine, your twin flame, your soul mate. Okay. Wow. So let's see. These four cards has been come for you from the activation oracle. First card is authority. The frequency of authority reminds us that true authority is powerful, directed and realized, yet receptive, wise and loving. Authority is the first message for you, and beautiful message, Aquarius, for you from the activation oracle. And there is a 10 here. Okay, the 10 is all about completion. Okay, then there is conception. The frequency of conception invites us to bring our consciousness to our origin, the place where everything in creation begins. It help us to remember the infinite potential and possibilities of this space and what we can manifest through our own focused awareness and intention. Okay, conception message is there for you. Beautiful message for you, my beautiful Aquarius. Then these two messages are interconnected, cosmic flowers and divine feminine. Okay, I'm going to read these messages. What are the meaning of these cards? The message is the frequency of cosmic flower activates our remembrance of the place we call home, the core from which we pour our magnificence out into the world. Beautiful message, Aquarius. Okay, cosmic flower. And the message is divine feminine. The frequency of divine feminine supports our receptive, nurturing, and soft sides, allowing it to express itself openly and helping us to connect to our intrinsic understanding of our connection to all creations. So, Aquarius, this is the energy you are having right now. You are having the energy of an empress, I can say. You know what you deserve. You are loving, you are caring, you are nurturing. Okay, this is the message for you, my beautiful Aquarius, and beautiful message for you. Bottom of the deck, I was having divine masculine and divine feminine, both were there. Beautiful for you, Aquarius. So this was the reading for you, Aquarius, for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will resonate with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating, because this is the general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. I will see you in the extended. There I'm going to tell you these cards in a deeper level. I'm going to clarify these cards. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.